Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can edit the confirmation email that your customer or client will receive after placing a booking with you or purchasing a product, whatever that may be. So, just as an example here, we'll go down into our booking pages. Here I've got appointments, so we'll use one of mine as an example. So, come in and edit this Let's Chat one. Then you'll see over here at the top, you're going to have this little email icon, and that's where you're going to actually edit the text. So coming down here, you can see you can edit when something is rescheduled, when a reschedule has been requested, when there's been or when a reminder is going out, when a booking has been canceled, and when one is pending. But here we're already on the confirmation tab, so you're welcome to go ahead and edit this to say whatever you like. Now, one important thing to keep in mind here is you may have set up a global confirmation email. So if you want to use your global confirmation email, text, meaning that whatever you have set up at the global level will apply across all of your appointments and all of your products. And if you want to use that, you can go ahead and click on global. And then you'll see that it's going to use whatever you have there. And I'll show you how to edit that in a moment. But if you want to have a specific unique message for this particular appointment, product, service, event, whatever it is, then you're going to use this here and write in whatever you want and hit save changes. Now, if you'd like to actually go ahead and edit what that confirmation email looks like on a global level, so you just set it once and it applies across all products, services, events, then what you're going to do is go down to your page settings, go to text, colors, and fonts, and click on email messages here. And here you're going to see the same messages that we saw before at the individual appointment level, but now this is going to be your global level. So whatever you set here, if you choose to use it, is going to apply across everything. So same thing as before, go ahead and type in what you want that to be, and that will automatically save an update for you. Hope that was helpful, and if you have any other questions, let us know using this chat widget down in the bottom. We always get back to you there. We'll see you in the next video.